SITECH Louisiana is construction technology. What we do is make contractors' lives easier by offering products and services that increase their productivity and efficiency.
We do that by spending a lot of time with every customer or every client in the beginning. We get to know the owner, the people in the field, the people in the office, and really learn how their unique way of working is. And through usually a series of lots of questions and meetings, we find out exactly what solution is going to be best for them, because no two are alike.
We have such a wide range of products and solutions, from just your normal lasers, stakes, paint and flagging, all the way up to machine control, site positioning, and drones. If you think of technology on the construction site, we have it, all the way from the beginning of traditional construction practices to the most innovative products that are on the market today.
We're your partner. We want to help you do it better. We want to help you figure out how to bid that job better. We want to help you figure out how you can get more jobs, decrease your costs, grow if you want to. Whatever your business goals are, we're there to help you meet those goals.
Because we have people that are experts on being consultants and finding customers ways that they can improve their processes. We have other guys that are focused on construction knowledge and the technology. So how best can you employ that?
You know, this isn't something that we walk into a door to push a specific product. It's really, how are we going to help you reach the goals and the vision that your company has?
But it's all focused on the customer and their result. So it's what can we do to help and serve our customer?